Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Dangoody here. Today we got a new video for you guys, and basically we're gonna be installing Kali Linux on VMware. Right, so to start doing that, let's get VMware. So go into Google and then search get VMware. It's gonna give you a link to the VMware workstation player. Alright, so after that, just go into the page and then just download for Windows. So yeah, try Workstation 17 player for Windows. You can also download this for Linux. So I already have this downloaded, so I'm just gonna go into Downloads, VMware, and then VMware Player. Again, like I said, I already have this installed, so I'm not gonna waste your time showing you installation, but all you just really need to do is just press next, 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 and that is pretty much it in terms of VMware Workstation. So let's get Kali. And in terms of Kali Linux, we're basically gonna get the VMware version. So yeah, basically next, 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 and that's it. Then so for Kali virtual machines, and then download VMware for 64-bit. Again, if you don't know if your PC is 64 or 32, you can just get that from here. All right. So just download this one, and it's going to download into a 7Z file. So just download 7Z. So 7Z, and then download this. Download the 64-bit version. All right, install it, and then it's going to give you a file like this after installing. So this one. So it's going to be a 7Z file. Just extract it. All right. And after extracting it, just open up the VMware Workstation Player. Alright, so create a new virtual machine. I will install the operating system later. Other Linux times kernel 64-bit. Next, and yeah, let's name it just 2. Press next. We're gonna just delete this afterwards. So this is the new machine, just edit virtual machine settings. So basically, we're gonna delete the hard disk and we're gonna add in a already, just make sure you have this one and use an existing virtual disk, alright? Next, browse, and then wherever you extracted it, just choose the first file, the VMDK. It's gonna be like no zeros, no nothing. It's just gonna be Cal Linux and then VMware VMDK. Open and finish, and keep existing format, and then OK, and then play virtual machine. It's just gonna press yes, and it's just gonna give it a moment, and it's gonna start up over here, Cal Linux. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next video where we're gonna be setting up Metasploitable 2 for web penetration testing. Alright, so if you wanna get out of this, you can just press Ctrl Alt Delete, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. This was Ango EDU.